Yo, what's poppin', everyone? Thanks for tuning in on another closing bell with Mr.Stacks. We're right now heading towards the end of the market. It's about 2:50 p.m. here, and you can see that everything kind of did a pop and drop, little upside at the morning, beginning of the morning, but we did start to see a little bit of a sell-off towards the end of the close here. Excuse me. But XELA Technologies, we're still holding ground on this one here. We ain't going nowhere. Just volume barely starting to pick up. As you can see, we're barely holding at 102%. So it took us a while to even get up to this level here. So there was a lot of trading, but we can have a lot more go on. It can cause the price to go up more. For us to barely hit our 100%, our daily average total, we're pretty much averaging what we normally do, a little bit over, and that's not really unusual if this is our daily average. So this is why we didn't really see a big price movement. We started to see it jump in the morning, but as you can see, we started to cool off here towards the moving into the market close. Right now we're holding around 265, still a good level. We haven't come down too far. As you can see, we're seeing some support here around this level here, 260, 263. If you see here on the 30-minute, zooming in onto the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour actually. So as you can see, 4-hour, we had that pop this morning pre-market. We started to pop as the market opened, started to sell off little by little. We came down, started testing the moving average, started to move up a little, but just not enough going on today. Hopefully we can hold this volume moving into tomorrow. And we'd like to see a green day though, because right now we're in the red, so it really didn't go our way, even though we did see a small gap up this morning. Hoping we can hold this level and possibly have a green day tomorrow. But yeah, for XELA Technologies, a little movement here, but it wasn't too exciting as we thought it would play off in the morning. We just didn't have enough volume coming in, as you can see. But we're still holding a good amount. But let's see if we can maintain this moving into tomorrow, and we can probably see these higher gains. SPRT support.com. Yeah, man, this one's been a little volatile today. As you can see, we've come down, we've come up on the daily here. We've come all the way down, tested that $6, and for those of y'all that watched the video this morning, I called it, y'all. Buy in. $6 was the buy-in position point right there, y'all. So if y'all were able to get on that trade, that was a good little trade, and let's ride it all the way up now. Y'all would already be up almost $1 if you would have bought in at the $6 mark. Watch the videos, y'all. I call it out. Sorry I wasn't able to jump on more shares. I've been wanting to hold more positions on this stock here, but I'm good, I guess. I play with a lot of other things, so I can't really focus on this one here. I've already held it down from where I was, around $4. We pushed up to almost 8, a little above 8 yesterday. I could have sold out, doubled up my money, but I'm still holding. Excuse me, y'all. A little down today on the weather here. Might be my allergies. Hopefully, nothing serious. But support.com, y'all. Yeah, this one here is starting to move towards the upside as we move towards the market close here. We've kind of been up and down though throughout the day, as you can see. Market open, nice little sell-off, pushed back up, fake out, came back down, and we broke back out again, but we're still testing that morning level here, so we got to break a little higher above $7 for us to continue. But as you can see, there's a lot of support, a lot of buying still, y'all, on the daily. You see this big old candle, this big wick. It's all that buying pressure right there. So this is telling you, like, man, those sellers ain't got a chance, y'all. Well, we're in the red still, yeah. So we're holding it though, y'all. They're trying to push us down, we're not letting them. They're trying to sell us short, we're not letting them. So I'm holding it down. We're gonna try to squeeze these guys out of their positions more, and we're gonna continue to move higher here. I'm looking to break through this level here in the next day or so and potentially see the all-time high of 945, and hopefully we'll continue to move. 105% volume coming in on the stock. So as you can see, over the last week or so, we've been holding a good amount of volume in this stock here, y'all. We're continuing to see it come in. and we're going to continue to move up as we can maintain that stability there. Time Technologies for stock number 3. Not a lot of movement today. You know, we called it about the same, or probably about the same price when we had the morning hype discussion here. Let's look into the 30-minute. So as you can see, we kind of been moving sideways. We kind of had a little dip in the morning once the market opened. We came right back up though. We're still testing that moving average. So as we consolidate and start to squeeze on the moving averages though, I'm pretty sure we're going to be popping up here pretty soon, y'all. I'm still holding a few hundred shares in this one. I bought in this stock yesterday. And yeah, I'm just riding it out here, looking into the institutional interest of this stock. We do have a lot of big names that are involved in this stock. And not only are they new positions, a lot of them have increased their positions rather than decreasing or selling out their positions, which is a good thing, is how I see it. So I'm going to hold my ground on this one also. Hopefully we can break through these levels here in the next few days before the end of the week. I'm hoping, which I'm sure it'll happen more than likely. I don't seem like it's too far of a gain there, you know, and all we need is that volume to continue to move in. It wasn't like it was yesterday where like I think it was like 10,000 percent above our daily average. So we have come down some, but I don't think it's over for this stock yet, y'all. Checking into the daily, as you can see, we did have a breakout yesterday, but we've come back down, and then we're testing it. We need a break back out now, so you can see been holding a lot of resistance now on that 200-day moving average. So let's see what happens here moving into the next few days. I'm really hoping something is published and starts to push this back up. We've seen a lot of false breakouts, as you can see, testing those levels, and yeah, we thought we were going to hold it yesterday, but we ended up coming right back down also. So I'm still holding it down. I'm not losing much, and as long as we're sitting stagnant, I'm still confident in holding my position here. So we'll wait and see what happens here over the next few days, but I'll definitely let y'all know what I decide to move on or dip out on here. OBSV stock number 4, OBSEVA, however you say that. But yeah, we're watching this one today, seeing a lot of volume coming in. They actually had something published that was released this morning, or was it yesterday? Yeah, it was this morning. They had a license to develop some type of a treatment or something. So it's actually been on the sell side here, but as you can see though, we've hit a high 389 yesterday. We tried to break back out today. I seen it moving, but a lot of resistance here. That's why it was a fake breakout. Tested it, came back down, boom. We're consolidating. I feel like we'll still move up here in the next few days. I don't think it's over for this one yet either. As long as good news keeps coming out and these short sellers move out the way, we can probably start seeing some higher gains. But yeah, we'll see what happens here, y'all. Really not much to look at on this. I'm not real familiar. This is just one we were watching this morning. A lot of volume coming in. As you can see, we're at 13,000% above our daily average. Significant amount of volume, but not a lot of upside on this one here. And you know me, there's really not much to talk about if it's moving down. I ain't trying to get everybody depressed, you know what I mean? So we'll go ahead and leave it at that. We'll fill back up on this one here later on. As you can see though, in the market, a lot of red, y'all, a lot of red. So don't think it's just these stocks individually. It's really the market on how it's moving here. We do have some green, as you can see. Some of these names that we followed. If you see the videos, you'll know a lot of these names we follow here. But yeah, some of our favorites though aren't on the top of the list, and it's all right. I know we'll make up for those that time here, but this is kind of where we're at. This is where we're closing. As you can hear the bell. This is how we're gonna end the day. So we'll have to catch up tomorrow, see where we open up at in the pre-market. After hours trading is still on at the moment, so these prices can still move up or down some up until about 7 o'clock. But right now, this is where we're gonna close the session, and we'll end up catching back up here in the morning, see if we can pick up some new trades, hopefully something more exciting, something more to talk about, something more to look at. But we'll definitely fill y'all in at that time, y'all. Appreciate y'all tuning in this afternoon. For those of y'all that are new, subscribe to the channel, get filled in on the videos. They're released daily, and just be in the know, y'all. But thanks again, and we'll catch up with y'all in the morning. Peace.